Hey guys, it's Sheila, also known as Onyx Beauty 1988 here on YouTube, and today I'm here to share with you guys an unboxing on Ali Pearl hair from Aliexpress. Ali Pearl is no stranger to my channel here on YouTube. I've done several hair reviews from them, and I am always super impressed with the quality of their hair, and I expect no less this time either. So let's jump right into the details. I received the hair via FedEx Express shipping, so super quick. And I have the, I just noticed this, which I thought was really cool. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this, but it actually has the company name, and then the body wave hair, and then I have a 16-inch closure with 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles, and there's 4 pieces. You guys probably can't see that, but I love the fact that they put that on the outside of the bag. And you guys, it can be so, like, when you get so much hair, you know, it can be really hard to figure out which hair is coming from which company and what are all the details of the hair. So I love the fact that they did that. Ali Pearl come through, okay? So let's get into the hair. So all the hair came in these clear packages. I took the hair out of the packages already, so you're not hearing the whole video. But it has Ali Pearl, 16 inches, all the different lengths on the bags, which is really nice. I like the fact that Ali Pearl does put more effort into the packaging and presentation of their products. So let's start with the closure. I have a 16-inch. You see that? You see that, you guys? 16-inch lace closure, okay? And look at how pretty this hair is. This is their Brazilian body wave hair. You guys can see the ends of the hair. It's my ash. I'm a little ashy. Sorry. But you can see the ends of the hair are very nice and full. The hair is so soft, you guys. Like, it looks soft on camera and it feels really super duper soft. It is a middle part closure. I love that because that means that half the work on this closure is done for me. So let's jump right into what you guys came here for, which is to see the beautiful hair. So this is the closure. We're gonna start with the closure, and look how beautiful. Look at the ashiness on my arms. Ooh, I'm sorry. But look at how beautiful this hair is. Like, it's so shiny. It's so soft and luxurious. Like, it feels amazing, you guys, and it's full all the way through to the ends of the hair, which I love. The lace is a 4x4 lace closure, and this is a middle part closure. So they already did half the work for me, you guys, on the closure, which I love. It's so much easier when it's not hard to pluck a closure, but especially if you're new to wigs or weaves or closures, it's just easier when a lot of the work is done for you. So absolutely love that. Now let's get into the bundles. So let's start with the 20-inch bundle. All the bundles have tags on them that say Ali Pearl hair with their little logo, super cute. And then another one that says Ali Pearl, you are the most shining pearl. And on the back side, you can follow Ali Pearl and win free hair every month by scanning the QR code on the hair, which is kind of neat. So my first observation, let's start with the wefts. The wefts, this is a 20-inch bundle. So obviously you guys know the longer the length of the hair, the shorter the weft. But this weft for a 20-inch bundle is a pretty decent size. Looking at the wefts, they look sewn very well, and they're flat. They're not super bulky or anything. So these are going to lay very nicely and not create a lot of bulk when you are constructing your wig or doing your sewing. As far as the hair, it is, look at the shine on that hair. like in the fullness. This hair is full all the way from the top to the bottom. Same fullness all the way through, you guys. Absolutely love it. Let's take a look at our 18-inch bundle. Same thing, very nice wefts. The hair is nice and full all the way to the ends, and look at that shine. How beautiful is that? Like, this hair is gorgeous. And lastly, our 16-inch bundle. This bundle is even thicker, and I'm gonna just show you guys in comparison. Let's take a look at our 20-inch bundle versus our 16-inch bundle. And I feel like it's not that stark of a difference. This is the 20-inch, this is the 16-inch bundle. This one's only slightly bigger, like, so they give you a lot of hair. But same thing, full all the way down to the ends. No tangles. Not getting any shedding so far. Like, literally, I've had nothing but positive experiences with Ali Pearl hair. So that's why I said I really don't expect anything less than that this time either. But this is 3 bundles, so this is how much hair. Look at the shine. Oh my goodness. So I can't wait to create a wig using these beautiful bundles from Ali Pearl hair. So you'll be seeing that soon, probably later on this week. You guys can see the hair installed and how wonderful and luxurious it's gonna look. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. So thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys soon for another video. Bye.